So I got a question for all of my viewers, mostly those of you that use Facebook on a somewhat or semi-regular basis, especially those of you that are in the Facebook group. We have like 77,000 members, the VIP group, any of you guys. Would you sell all of your data that Facebook has on you, like what you've liked, what you comment on, what you share, things that your friends have said or shared on your timeline, your personal information, all of that? I'm not talking about your social security number. I'm not talking about your birthday, well, maybe your birthday. I'm not talking about like your credit card number, address, only like pertinent information about your activity on Facebook. Things that you have laughed at, things that you have, linked, all that sort of thing. Would you share that with anyone else outside of your immediate friends and family? I have a better question. Would you sell it to a complete stranger on eBay? Would you put all of that information about everything you've done on eBay? Now remember what's gonna happen with that information after somebody buys it. They're going to sell it to marketers and infomercials and advertisers and companies like Best Buy might buy it, and you've been liking cameras and sharing cameras and photography, and all of a sudden you're gonna get a million pieces of advertisement from Best Buy or B&H Photo or any company that really you've interacted with on Facebook. Would you put that on eBay for sale, all that information on a hard drive, all of it saved? What if you could sell it for thousands of dollars? Would you do it then? That's a question I have, and that's a question that one Facebook user decided to answer by doing just that and selling his information on eBay. This is probably the craziest story I've seen in a while. Let me jump you over to my computer and show you exactly what this young man has done and why he did it. And then when we get to the end of this video, I'm gonna ask you guys a few questions that I want you to answer down in the comment section below. I'm purely curious. This goes along with my video from yesterday about letting Amazon into your house to do deliveries. Is that weird? Is it creepy? Is it normal? I'll link that video down below as well. But I want you to answer these questions in the comment section because I want your all's opinion about some of these things that have to do with some of these crazy stunts and crazy marketing and crazy ideas that eBay and Amazon and in some cases the sellers and users have. So let's check out the video and then you guys can comment down below how you feel about it. All right, straight from one of my favorite sites, I link this all the time, Gizmodo. A man is literally auctioning his Facebook data on eBay. You guys read it right. I know so many people that message me about like how Facebook and YouTube and sites like misuse your information and your data. This guy is actually putting it out there. Why? Well, let me tell you that Facebook makes $21 per user. That's $21 for every person on average on Facebook by sending out your information to advertisers. That's Target, that's Walmart, that's Best Buy, that's some random website in California or China that's like trying to market you some cheap Chinese fidget spinners, etc., etc. So they have 100 million people that they sell advertisements of, like your information to, times $21 is something like, can somebody do the math? Is that $2.1 billion or $21 billion Facebook makes off that? I think it's $2.1 billion. So this guy is a writer and developer. I think his name is Ollie Frost. And he decided that if Facebook's going to make $21 a year off of his information, and it's going to get sold anyways, he might as well put it all onto a flash drive, a little plug-and-play flash drive, and sell it himself. Well, it's going a little bit better than what he thought. He's already up to $400 US. Now, obviously, he only gets to sell the information once. And in theory, he could sell it over and over again because if he made copies of the flash drive and multiple marketing and advertisers wanted his information, he could keep selling it over and over again. Think about at $21 a year, it would take Facebook 20 years to make that same 400 and some dollars that he's going to get. So he has done the right thing with his information. Now, is it scary? It is, but honestly, they're not getting your social security, your credit card number, things like that. So what's the worst that's going to happen? Your email box is going to blow up. You could change emails. You could give out a different email. I mean, there's a lot of things that you could do. So what did he include with the flash drive? It's every like, post, and comment he's made since he was 16. His photos dating back to like 10 years ago. Videos, of course. A list of things he's interested in. His birthdays year by year. Every friend request that he got and accepted or ignored. Every party invite. and who he voted for, his boss's name. It's a lot of sensitive information that could be used for some bad. So that's the thing you have to take into account before you decide to jump on and sell all your Facebook information. He does not include permission to steal his identity or open a sweatshop. That kind of goes without saying. I'm just curious what you guys think. Would you sell your data? Imagine if you could sell it to multiple people at $400 or $500 a pop. Would you sell it out to people if you could pick up 10, 15, 20 people and make $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 off of your information? It's interesting. It's a good conversation point, and if you're going to ask my opinion, I would do it. I don't have any downside. Everything that you can find on my Facebook is pretty much public anyways. I'm a public figure, and really you're not going to get any kind of new information out of me. Some of you that are private and don't share anything, it might be a little more scary for you. But for me, have at it, man. Send me my $500 and I'll catch you later. That's kind of my opinion on the thing. This story is blown up. It has 43,000 likes. It has 41 comments and 3 favorite stars on this one website alone from Gizmodo, which 43,000 likes is pretty impressive considering it's only been up for about a day and a half. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me know if you would do it. Let me know the price you would put on it, what you think about this guy. Do you think he's crazy? And how you feel about this whole situation. I have a feeling the comment section is going to go a little bit bonkers because you all have some opinions, and I'm interested to hear them. So I'll leave you with that. Make sure you do check out rockstarflipperonline.com before you go. Drop me your email, and I'll update you about everything that's coming on this channel, on the merch, on events, meetups, all that good stuff. And coming Friday, June 1st, that's only 2 days away, is my very first podcast, which will be dropped each and every Friday. So if you want to get notifications about all that, rockstarflipperonline.com. Go there, drop your email in. No spam, no nothing. I will send you updates on all that cool stuff. Thanks a lot, guys. I'll see you next time.